Hello, my name is Chris. In this video, you'll get an overview of events reports in LeadCenter. To access these reports, go to the Sales dashboard. Then click on Reports and select Events from the list. From the Events tab, click on the Events report. This will open a report dashboard that brings together data from all your events and seminars into one centralized view, showing key performance metrics and attendee insights. These metrics include your event conversion rate, total event cost, and other important attributes. To view specific data, you can filter by date. In this example, select Last Year and click Apply. This will update the report to show data for the selected year. The report begins with a filter section at the top. By default, it's set to show only completed events unless you change the status. If you want to include scheduled events as well, click this section here to adjust the filter. You'll also see the date filter, which controls the time period shown in the report, so you can focus on events that happened within that selected range. For example, you might select a full year, like January 1st to December 31st. Below the filters, you'll see summary statistics pulled from both the events and event attendees tables. This includes the total number of events scheduled or completed during the selected period. Let's narrow it down to completed events. Here, the report shows 8 events completed, the total number of attendees registered, total marketing spend, and then the list below it, or the cards below it, will show the attendance status. How many people attended from those registered? How many canceled? How many were no-show? Requested appointment, scheduled appointment, canceled, confirmed, canceled by us, or waitlist. So these boxes will read from the event attendee status based on how you set up the attendee status for that event. It's very important to notice that requested appointment and appointment scheduled read from the events table. Those are not actual appointments booked in the calendar. On the right side here, we have the conversions. The conversion of event attendees to appointments, as well as the conversion to clients and the conversion to amount issued. However, those two cards, First Appointment Set and First Appointment Kept, will read the appointments that have the category First Visit Not a Client that those attendees booked. And then, Became Client will read the number of attendees converted to clients in the sales pipeline after attending an event. And the amount issued will show the total account value issued for those clients. If you scroll down, you will see additional charts in the report. It will show you a timeline of the events. On the right side here, there is a timeline of the events by type. When you're creating events, you can create different event types, like a webinar, a retirement workshop, and you can add additional event types. The third chart is the event expenditure timeline. And the fourth is the attendees timeline. The attendees timeline shows for each month the number of attendees for the events that took place. Then at the bottom, you'll see the data feeding into this report. You can also filter this report further. For example, to see events completed last year that are retirement workshops, apply that filter and the report will update, showing how many retirement workshops were completed, total attendees, conversion to First Appointment Set and Kept, how many became clients, and the total amount issued. So this is a high-level overview of the events report. Other videos will walk you through additional event performance reports available. Thank you.